Hey guys, today we're gonna try and cave dive at the bum hole.
Go!
Fuck you, little bitch. I'm not going in there yet, but trust me, once I get like boots and shit, I will go in there. Trust. But we found a chair, and we got a new person here. Say hi. Look at the camera and say hi before I rape you. We have a new area that my friend Andrew Dingus has unlocked. Yeah, he's a little sped.
He got a little bit of tizzle.